Well, here we are again with another cooking tips video. This time we're working with chickpeas, and we're going to soften them without waiting. If you know any other tricks, leave them in the comments for me. That helps me a lot. Thanks for coming. You have all the seasonings ready, and just when it's time to get started, did you forget to soak the chickpeas? Don't worry, don't send your guests home. You can fix it. 3 super easy tricks that work. First trick, the tech one, in the microwave. Let's go with the fastest one. Your chickpeas will be soft in 15 minutes. Simply place them, cover with water, put some plastic wrap on them, nice and tightly covered. Of course, since we're going to use the microwave, make sure the bowl is microwave safe. And, very important, make a little hole so the excess can escape. Steam. Use caution when removing, as it's very hot and steam can burn you. Let's go to the microwave. Well, here are the ones from the microwave. They're still super hot. I've let them rest for 15 minutes, but if not, you see? There we have them. Hole 1. And let's see if it's soft or not. It's soft because it falls apart. Yes, we can use them. They're already soft. Test passed. Now we can follow any recipe we want. Does it work? Second little trick, take your time. A pressure cooker. The third trick is the one that takes a little more time. 1 hour. Instead of the 12 you would have to wait. With 1 hour you'll have it solved. Just a pressure cooker. Inside the chickpeas. Well covered with water. No need for salt or anything else. We cover it and cook for 1 hour. Then we'll follow the steps of the usual preparation. The preparation we always do. It will just take an extra hour. With that, we'll make sure the chickpeas are soft and ready to work with. Here we go. Let's use the ones from the pressure cooker. They've cooled a bit. Let's take out these same 3. If they're soft, yes, let's try them. Yes, they'll work for us too. Like this. We start the preparation, and that's it. Third little trick, the one with baking soda. Even faster. The trick with baking soda, we simply put the chickpeas in a pot, add a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of baking soda, add water, and cook on high heat for 30 minutes. Afterwards, we'll need to wash the chickpeas so they don't have the taste of baking soda, and use them as if they were chickpeas that have been soaked for 12 hours. Start your recipe from the beginning. Let's go. Let's use the regular pot. There they are. The truth is that with this trick, some skin has come off, and honestly, that's not very cool. The important thing is that they're soft, that they get loose, and that's it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna try one. They're soft. So at least we'll save the match point. Does it work? Remember, you must rinse them with this trick. Leaving baking soda on will alter the flavor of future dishes. So, as I said, all 3 tricks work, But if you can wait the 12 hours, it will turn out much better, because the chickpeas will hydrate more and get bigger. Tricks won't achieve that, but they do soften things. If you used one of these tricks, you're likely prepping your chickpeas now. Super tricks. If you enjoyed the video and haven't subscribed yet, just click the red subscribe button below to subscribe instantly. There's a little bell, click it, and you'll get notified about my updates. I upload at least 2 videos a week, one sweet and one savory, and sometimes a little something extra that I pull out of my hat. Thanks for coming. Love you all.